This is a tutorial about Everwhere.com, a very simple, easy tool to use in your classroom that students really enjoy. They can actively participate by text messaging their answers to you, and you could show a live feed on your projector of their answers as they text those in. For those students not having cell phones or capabilities to text, then they can also access this from the internet site, Everwhere.com. So I'm taking you here to our Symbaloo page, and here is your link for Poll Everywhere. So click on it. And if you need to sign up for an account, it's very easy to do so, and it's free. You can click on Create Your First Poll, and it will take you through step by step as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on My Polls. And as you see, I have lots of different ones here. But we're going to create a new poll. And after you create your first one, then that menu is on the left-hand side. So we're going to create my poll. And I'm going to ask the question about being a fair game or not. Okay, after typing your question, then you get to choose what type of responses will show in your live feed. This is the text wall where they type in. It just comes in one after the other and underneath each other. This is the cluster. They come in different sizes. I like to use it a lot because you can see more on the screen at a time. And this makes a word cloud, if you've heard of Wordle, things like that. And it kind of puts your answers. If you have a lot of yeses, the yes will come in really big. If you don't have as many no's, the no's will be small. And then other words that are used often will be large. Those that you use less often will be small. And I will show you an example of that. So we're going to do open-ended so that students can just type in their answers. They can type yes or no, or give a comment. So we're going to hit create down here at the bottom. And you have created your first poll. That's simple. Here are the instructions that you give your students. They are to send the message to 37607, and every time they type in a response, they need to text these 6 digits first. So for example, I have my cell phone right here with me. I'm going to type in a text message to 37607. And you will see a live feed come up on the screen of my response. And I'm typing that in right now. 568469. And that number changes every time with each different poll that you are posting. Then you hit a space and you type in your response. And I'm going to put yes. And I hit send. And you will see it appear on the screen. And so if you have this on your projector in the classroom, It's kind of like a Twitter feed. Kids really get into it. And the responses will show up. I'm going to type another one. And the students can comment more than once. So if they change their mind, they can send in another response. And I'm sending my next response that a student might post. So no way. And so this keeps on going, and of course if you've got lots of students texting at the same time, lots of different comments are coming on the screen at once, and the kids really enjoy it. So this is another way that you can survey your students and get some quick feedback. After you get your feedback, of course we only have 2 right now, but we can go over here to the left hand side. If you want to stop your poll, you click right here. If you want to see your response history, you can click there, and it tells you that you've got these 2 responses and when they came through. And you did get this through text messages, or you can actually get the summary of this to your own cell phone. So they can send the text results straight to your phone. Over here on this side, you can actually download a spreadsheet of the results to your computer and open those up. Now, down at the bottom left-hand part of my screen, I'm going to open that up for you. And of course, when you have several students in the room, this will be a little bit larger spreadsheet. And so you can have that, save it to your computer if you need it for other things. And close out of that. And that's basically as simple as it is. So have fun with that with your students.